in this place I am having a comma b is a 1 and 2. I am having 1 and 2 elements alone. Write all the subset of A. Okay, we already know if you write a subset means that one element should be an empty set. Okay, so I can write the subset. So A is a subset of, I can write this A, and A comma B is a separate element, that is also subset of A. We already know empty element is a subset of A, and both the element if you include also subset of A, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 possibility I am having a subset of A. So how can I write? So I can write A, B, A comma B and empty set or the subset of A. Okay, this is my subset of A. Then next question is write down the power set of the following set. If I am having A power set, right? So first element, question 8, the first element I am having A equal to A comma B. What are the possibility for this subset? Then only move to the power set. What you writing in a subset is your power set. So the power set of A. So the first we know empty, then A alone, then B alone, then both the value. Okay, that is a power set of A. What you writing in a subset, that is your power set also. Okay, then the second question, B equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. What a possibility they given. Okay, the power set of A is equal to, the first element should be empty, then second is 1, then 2, then 3, then I am having a 1 2. So 1 2, then I can write 2 3, then 2 3, then how can I write? Then I can write 1 3, then 1 2 3. I can write now. That's it. So how many elements I have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 elements. So I am having 3 elements. So 2 power 3 8. So it is my power set, that is a correct. Okay. Then third question I am having D equal to PQRS. PQRS. Okay. So find out here power set. The power set of A. Okay. Power set of A means subset of that value. So power set of A, when they mention, so I am having these elements. So sorry, power set of D, right? So first element should be empty. Second element singly I am writing P, Q, then R, then S. This is the first. Then I am putting pair P, Q, Q, R and R, S. So P, Q, Q, R and R, S. Okay. So in this place I am having first P and Q and RS and QR and RS, right? Then QR and RS. Then I can write, what can I write? Then I can write PQ. I already written, right? But the P pair P comma R is not written. So P comma R, this is a one set because I am already having PQ, but PR is not my set, right? So PR, the next one is I can write PS. Okay, so I completed my P to Q and R and S. Then Q, I am taking a pair Q. I am already have P comma R. I am already have P comma, so I already have the pair. If they are writing the voice was also correct only, right? So Q comma P also, P comma Q. So no problem, I don't want to write. So Q comma R, I already written. Then Q comma S, I didn't written, right? So Q comma S, I am writing. Then move to the R. So R comma P, I already written or not? P comma R I already written, so it's possible. R comma Q I already written, so no need to write. So then Q comma S, sorry, R comma S I already written, so no need to write. Then move to the S. Okay, so S comma P, P comma S I already written, so no need to write. S comma Q, S comma, yeah, S comma Q I already written. Then S comma R, R comma S I already written, so no need to write. Okay, so then move to the 3 pairs. So first I am taking P Q R, first pair, then Q R S. Okay, P Q R and Q R S. Okay, then except this Q I am having P R S. P R S. Then except this R I am getting PQ S. Okay, listen this, all the elements P, Q, R, in this place all the elements are mentioned. Except P I am getting Q, R, S, I am getting the value. Except Q I am getting P, R, S, that possible. Except this R I am getting P, Q, S. Okay, except S, P, Q, R. P, Q, R I already written, right? So the 3 parts of the value also I did. Then finally I am getting 4 parts P, Q, R, S. I am having a 4 element set. First null set, then single sets, single elements and 2 elements. Then I am splitting 3 elements. If you mention this means neglect this and balance, and neglect this and balance. I am writing like this. Okay. So if you have any doubt means mention 2 power m. So 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Therefore my value is correct. Okay. That's it now. Okay. Then what I mentioned in the 4th question is my E equal to empty set. Okay, E equal to empty. They didn't mention anything. E equal to empty set. Therefore, the power set should be empty alone, because I didn't have any value. So E equal to empty. E equal to empty, because empty means I didn't have any value. But 2 power, I didn't have any value means 2 power 0. So 2 power 0 is nothing but your 1. It's not an element, it's an empty bracket. So obviously the power set of E equal to 1 element. That 1 element is nothing but an empty bracket, or you can write like this, null set. Okay.